Spend the day with me as a Nigerian woman married to a Dutchman living between Nigeria and the Netherlands. Right now, I am spending some time at my mother's house in Nigeria, and today I decided to take some time for myself and get ready for somewhere I need to be tomorrow. So first on my list today is my laundry. This was actually like a leftover laundry I was supposed to do yesterday, so I didn't finish up and I decided to do it quickly before I start, because I know that once I do my self-care, that's my nail, my hair and everything, I will not want to put my hand in water again because I really need this nail to last.
I'm going to quickly go and wash my hair and get it ready for a two-piece. Okay, I'm doing today is skincare. You can see it's raining, drizzling actually, not really a serious rain. And thank God, none of my clothes actually fell down. They are still hanging up there. So let's go and fetch water and shower. I wanted to make it's for making noise outside. I actually wanted to make okay. So I wanted to make what is it called? Packing gel for the first time. But it happened that today is sit at home in Enugu State, so I can't do packing gel. No salon is open, and there's no way I can buy the extension that I'm going to use at the mouth of the hair. So I just have to put on wigs, and I really do not know how that wig is going to look like yet, because I'm supposed to actually use what is it called? I didn't come back with my straightener, so I wanted to use the pressing iron, but my sister-in-law just told me that the pressing iron is bad. So because it's a bob wig and it needs to, now, so it's kind of bent. It's been in the pack for a long time since I came back from the Netherlands. I've not used it, so that's the wig I'll be wearing. So in order for the wig to sit well, so I need to braid this hair into two.
So my leave-in conditioner is actually finished. I wanted to go and buy the normal one I used to buy, but on getting there, they didn't have the big rubber, so they only had this ones in sachet, and I do not really like it, so I just bought one I could just use for this time, because I know that I don't like those tiny things in the sachet. I prefer them in a bigger quantity, you understand? So that was why I just bought one sachet, and I know that one sachet is enough to actually make this hair for me. I really wanted to do the pack up gel, that's the ponytail, but in this case, what I'm going for, I need my face to actually show. That's the reason I actually need the packing gel, but I'm not sure of my type of hair. You guys know that my front hair has issue, you understand? So I wasn't just sure, and I have limited time. So on days like this in Enugu, the salons are not open because of the sit at home. So I just have to compromise, find a way to just make this work, because I actually promised myself again that this parts of hair, this style of hair I used to do, I need to minimize it, because it's actually
my custard is ready.
To be
my two-boiled egg is still in the water because I actually cooked it half done. Oh, see how my hair is shining. I actually like simple hair. I like all these ponytails and all that. They give me the best, even though I have a big forehead. But man, I think it's hunger that is making this thing taste extraordinary. Let me bring my food is ready. I don't want to bore you guys, because since you guys are not going to eat with me, I'm going to eat alone. Then we'll come back to make our nails. It's ready. The weather is not that bright. I just hope they bring light also. Let me test it first again. So you see, simple hair now, it fits me. I don't know if you can see it. My window is see that yellow, guys. I'm ready for my nails. Anytime I drink custard, all I want to do is to sleep. Custard pop, I just want to sleep. Okay, now I can on the fan again. Going to last me 3 times again before I decide to buy any other nail. So I think I have white on my leg. I think I'll be going for this one. I actually wanted to go with red, but I don't think I'll do red now. And the same red I had in mind when I bought this one, I actually bought them from different places. I actually went for this one so I could use red, but I'm not ready to take out the white on my leg. So it's better for me to just give it, complement it with another white so it can go together. I don't like too much color on my skin. No, no. You see this caramel skin we have? We are going to be complementing whatever fits caramel skin. That is what we are going to be using. You guys have no idea how happy I am that this is my original complexion. No be artificial. Oh my god. Quickly applied glue on my toes because this nail, you can see them, they've lasted 2 weeks already and they were showing sign of, pulling off. So I've applied glue now to refresh them. I just love the way I'm looking. I'm looking so simple and clean, So one thing I like doing first when doing this is to clip, cut off all, I don't know if you can see, I don't like leaving all these things. We agree we are going with this. My problem is that the pink on this thing is a total different pink. It doesn't look like, original. It doesn't look fresh. That's the only problem I have. But I'm just gonna fix it. If I don't like it, I won't buy it next time. I need my glasses. So these are my reading glasses. They help make life very easy. So this one is 2. Let's see. 2 fits well, but I made mistake. 2. There is another mistake a lot of us do when we are fixing nails. We forget to take out our cuticles. And if you don't take out cuticles, your nail will not sit well on the bed. Take out your cuticles for a clean nail, clean fitted nail. See, everything is now well cleaned. So if you're fixing this nail, it will sit very well. This is not a nail tutorial, though. I'm just showing you guys how I do my things in the house by myself. I actually miss my LED lights. I couldn't come with it to Nigeria because that would be extra luggage for me. I think I'm just going to put on the nail. Don't want it to be messy and a little sauce. Perfect. So I'm just going to hold it down because it's creating bubbles inside and I don't want that bubbles inside. I like the way they actually did the tip of the nail. The tip is hard. It's not like those very soft nail that before you know it's breaking. The tip is very hard. Looks, I don't know why they're all having bubbles inside. I have to hold it down for long. Collect more of this. The nail is hard. I could actually wear this when I'm going back to the Netherlands and it will last long. Look at it. The nail is nice. Like when it gets to the white tip here, it's hard. It looks like there's acrylic on it, but it's not acrylic. So guys, I am done. Can you see my hand? Yeah, it's straight. So my 5 fingers is done, and I like the fact that it's not too long also. So you see, 5 fingers done. So I'm going, this is what it looks like. 2 hands done. I don't know why I feel pain here, like something bruised me. I don't know if you guys can actually see these nails very well, but this is what they look like. So so now it's smooth. Before it wasn't smooth. I'm going to be applying this nail hardener twice for a perfect shine. The light from this thing will not allow you guys to see these nails very well. Okay, you can see how it's shiny. I still feel the color looks, fake. I wish I have a pink. I could just top it up on it. Or I wish I have something that I could just design it with, even if it's a shimmer, just to make a difference. This pink just look too baby pinkish. That's the word. I think because I like a darker shade of pink. That's why I'm feeling this way. So guys, my nail is ready. I've come to the end of my prep. You can see how beautiful it is, even though I don't like the pink, but the quality of the nail is very nice. I'm the kind of person that don't really like this type of nail because they don't last. I usually just wear them for like 2-3 days, and they just, once one is off, I don't even care putting it back. I just take it out. But this one, I think I'm going to wear this one for a long time because the nail, I'm going back to Ifeanyi shop. I'll go back there and pick maybe like, so that I can travel with it when I'm traveling. It's heavy. It looks like acrylic. The only thing I don't like about this nail is just the color. That's the only thing. It's just the color, but the nail, the quality is very nice. So I'm definitely going back there to buy more that I am going to travel to the Netherlands with, because I don't know if I will see this quality elsewhere. So guys, if you watched to this extent, thank you so much. Let me do guys with my nail. Thank you so much for watching to this next nail. I'll see you in my next video. Okay, I love you. Mwah.